the mood of weekend. When was the last time you were caught in heavy rain? It made you happy, for it was a perfect excuse to stay in your room the whole day. There was no need to do something, but to just observe the loosened time. By listening to the rainfall, to the spin of the fan, to the running tap water, into the beats from the speaker. And all of a sudden, you found a wet ink mark on the bed sheet from the pen. It was a rain day, slow and romantic. So now I'm looking for a place in this neighborhood, maybe at most like 2 kilometers from me, to fly my drone, do some drone flying practice today. Yes, I got my drone just a couple of weeks ago. I am a training pilot now, trained by myself and some drone YouTubers. A different perspective or angle to view the old same thing is and will always be surprising. The drone helps giving various angles to storytelling as well. Haven't got a name for this baby yet, but I'll make sure to take it with me when traveling and fly as much as I could within the safety range.
I found a lovely hidden gem in this neighborhood. So, why am I so big like all of a sudden? This is so beautiful here. It looks like there are two rows of trees along the roads. So good. But on the other side, I think that's one of the busiest highway here. So it's kind of noisy with sounds from cars. But also at the same time, you can hear like the bugs, the summer bugs. It's lovely here. So good. Well, I have to film this. This is just so beautiful here.
Wait, I think I'm overusing the word beautiful. Could you give me some word for cab? Thanks in advance. Right, that was a rental bike. There are many of them lining on the sidewalks. I paid a deposit of 199 RMBs just now. Scan on a QR code on its neck through an app and good to go. The niche of the business is as transport solution to the last 1 kilometer to your destination from the subway station.
Did you get that?
Yes, I'm riding 2 kilometers to the subway station to go to the Bund. I love to come and check out the Bund whenever I come to the city center. The river of Huangpu brings the center of one of the centers of China, an open area that's wide enough to feel not as stressful. The bond looks different and radiated out a different mood at each of my visit, thanks to the various weather, clouds, time, and beings.
Love it. Just trying to get a view.
One last interesting thing. The 4 characters on the mango juice says busy being cute. Busy in Chinese is 忙, which has the same pronunciation as 芒, mango. Interesting wordplay.